Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, cute, colorful butterfly nail art. So first off, I'm going to paint my nail with this sheer pink. You can choose any light colors that you like. I'm done here. So starting off for the wings, and for this you're gonna pretend that you're drawing a heart and one wing bigger than the other, which also looks like a heart, and you just gotta fill it in. When you're done using a black paint, you're gonna draw the outline, and don't worry if you make a mistake. You can cover it by drawing a thicker line and it will look like you're giving more definition to the butterfly. Now, to separate the wings, draw a straight line from the middle to the end of the upper wing. And draw one more line in the upper wing, and here to get a realistic butterfly, draw more lines in the bottom wing, just like I did. Also for the body, draw a curve, then the antenna from the top. Here I did the rest of my nails using some different colors, and also guys, let me know in the comments which color butterfly you like the most. And if you like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and maybe comment what you want me to do next. Here to give life to your beautiful butterfly, add some tiny white dots. I used the same brush. If you have a tiny dotting tool, you can use that as well. Once you're done, go on with your top coat, and there you have a beautiful shiny butterflies on your nails. And also guys, don't forget to check out my other nail art tutorials, and please like this video and also continue to support me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.